My name's Adam Blander. I'm 26 years old. I was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York. I went to McGill University, which is in Montreal, Canada. I did some stuff before law school, and in 2010 I enrolled at Brooklyn Law School, and I'm in my 3L, just about finishing up.
What was your role here at Adam Lightman Bailey PC?
Basically, my role was to help out with whatever the attorneys needed, and what I guess was very rewarding is that it was real legal work that I was doing. So that included writing briefs, doing legal research, and doing sorts of a legal investigation, and all of the work was very interesting.
What was it like working at Adam Lightman Bailey PC?
Frankly, I'm just very, very impressed with how hardworking everybody is. Obviously, that goes for the attorneys, but really the support staff also, and just everyone really, chips in and puts in a lot of effort to make sure we put out a really great product.
Did you work with Mr. Bailey directly?
Yes, I did work with Mr. Bailey directly. I assisted him on an article about insurance coverage for directors and officers of condominium and co-op boards.
What types of tasks did you perform?
Sure. The types of tasks I performed were writing motions, such as like a motion for default judgment, researching some, in my opinion, very interesting legal questions that I really never thought about before. For example, a standing issue, whether a civil court has jurisdiction to enforce Department of Building violations, and things of that nature.
What have you learned from working here?
I think what I learned here is that being an attorney is not just about understanding the law, but particularly being a real estate attorney, which just involves so many different issues, is you have to be prepared to learn a lot of different things, even non-legal areas. And what that means also is that in the service of your client, you have to do also sometimes non-legal work, and that means investigating certain issues and finding out what maybe the politics are about a specific unit. These are all part of a lawyer's duties when they're representing a client, and I think sometimes lawyers forget about that, but certainly not at this firm.
What's the one thing or experience that will stand out in your mind that you gained from working here?
Well, I think what really impressed me was that everyone feels very comfortable asking each other questions. So that means if someone has an issue which they might not know a lot about, they can feel very comfortable walking across the hall and talking to someone who might know a lot about that issue. And it's a very collaborative environment, and I think that makes for just a much better service that the firm can provide clients with.
What is the best aspect of working at Adam Lightman Bailey PC?
The best aspect, I would say, is that it's a real team effort. Is everybody is united behind the idea of providing a really top-notch service to their clients, whatever it takes.
Do you have any other comments or suggestions?
I would encourage anybody watching this to reach out to the firm and apply for the internship. This is not a typical internship. Adam is really interested in giving you real-world and substantive legal work. You will get a lot out of this internship. I know I did.
Do we have your permission to post this on our website?
Of course.